Hey guys, let's do a simple pasta dish today. I call this Mak Tok's Aglio Olio. Now let's get some boiling water and we're going to season them with a bit of salt. And then we're going to add our spaghetti in. And I'm using my chopsticks just to stir this around. Now while the pasta is cooking, let's chop up some garlic. And now our spaghetti is done, we're just going to drain away the water. So now that's done, let's heat up the wok again. Now to the wok, I'm adding some olive oil. Now let's add the garlic into the wok. I'm adding some smoked lardon. Then we're going to add some Mak Tok fire chili paste to give it a nice spicy feel. Oh, I can smell the spice from this. Then the next thing that we will be doing is adding in all our spaghetti and just give this a good mix. Then we'll be adding in some king prawns. Gonna season it with a bit of salt. And I don't have parsley today, so I'm gonna use my plant coriander. And there we are, our Mak Tok's Aglio Olio is done. Guess what? I'm eating straight from the wok. Such a simple, spicy and delicious meal. You get like a smoky flavor from the lardons and then the seafood flavor from the prawns, and with the spicy kick from our fire chili paste. It's just wow. So this is our really simple Mak Tok's Aglio Olio, and if you know anyone who loves spicy pasta, you should really ask them to try this one out. And if you've got any questions or suggestions, just leave them in the comments down below. I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!